Good morning.
Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Reddit with me. It's been a while since I did one of these, and I actually, enjoying this stuff, so here it goes. Okay, so I'm going to start off by doing my skincare, and this is the Rich and Clear Liquid Almond Cleanser. I use it all the time. I got another bottle, and I'm just going to have to get this skin together because I am going to go hang out with friends, get cute, hang out, that sort of thing. I need to get out the house. So, yeah. Cut off my skin. I'm going to go in with my toner. This Milky toner, use it all the time. Y'all seen it before. I love it. I get mine at Target. So, yeah. Get all of that. And so now I'm about to moisturize the skin. And no, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows first. Yeah, I'm gonna do my brows first, and then I'll moisturize my skin so I can go like around it, if that makes sense. But yeah, I use the e.l.f. brow lift for my brows, and sometimes I go ahead and brush my brows out before applying my lips so I can see, And I got the clear one, and I just go in with my brush thingy, brow brush, and just get a little bit. I don't get much at all. I start right here and just do like that. I start at the bottom, work my way up, and go all the way down. I'm running out, so I need a little bit, just a little bit more. Sometimes getting the exact shape I want is not easy. Cause really, it's time for me to get my brows did. That's usually when I use this the most, when it's time for me to get another, get them threaded again. They decent, they'll do. Number one to another one. The next one, about to moisturize. I got my brows decent, they'll do. They'll work. This is the base butter Renegade face jelly. I use that all the time, especially my on weekends. I don't use it every day because I be trying to save it, save it for the weekend. When I'm going to work, I don't use this. I only use it like on weekends because I be outside and I be like going somewhere. So work is just work. I don't be caring about my skin having. I just love the dewy look. Some people don't, but I do. I love it. Now I'm about to I'm about to buy some more of that too. Okay, for my hair, I think I'm just gonna do a pineapple. I did one yesterday. I forgot to get the edge control off my edges from yesterday. Usually I do, but last night I got a lot going on. But I didn't do that last night. That's a problem. Oh, it's just a little piece. It's not much. But yeah, I'm gonna do me a pineapple, y'all. It's perfect for summer. I just love doing my pineapple, especially if I know it's been a while since I had a retwist, and I have a lot of new growth. I just do me a pineapple gel. So, throw a little water on there. That's mainly what I've been putting on my hair lately is water. I probably put coconut oil on my hair at night, maybe once every 2 weeks, maybe twice within those 2 weeks. Yeah, usually once every 2 weeks because y'all, I promise you, just using water has done wonders for me. Well, mainly just using water has done wonders for me instead of putting oil in my hair all the time. Like, I had to stop that, baby. Just head and start off with some. Just lock it up. Chill. I'm gonna put that at the back. Okay, something's happening. Put a little bit in the front. For my first little layer, I'm just gonna use one of these and do it like that. And whew. I do 2 wrappers, but this time I only needed one. Yeah, I'm gonna just do that one. And get this little piece too. I might pull it up just a smidge. Okay. So you can actually see that it's a pineapple and not looking like a ponytail. Okay. And I am about to see what I can pull off with my edges. I'm not gonna do, yesterday I did a lot with my edges. Today, I'm not. Just gonna swoop here and there. Let me put my little thingy on so my hair can do its thing. See, these lashes I got, but I'm not gonna put them on because I don't really like short lashes. And yesterday I didn't have one on either, so I'm not gonna regret it. While my hair is getting its life in order, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips and just outline. So, oops. I'm just gonna see how this goes. For my lips, I'm gonna do these butter gloss. My NYX, y'all, you know, if you know, you know. But I usually do this if I want a brown look, but I don't necessarily feel like doing like a lipstick or anything. I just want to be simple, you know, something quick and woo, put it on, be done. And this is the color Lava Cake. Yeah. I don't know if you see it. But yeah, this is Lava Cake. This one is amazing. I love it. So I'm just gonna. Usually I would soften this up a bit, but since I'm putting on this brown and not doing anything clear, I think I'm just keep it as is. Cause I do that all the time. I always like when I do my liner, I go through with a brush and just, you know, make it look a little bit more cleaner or less. You know, I get it together, honey. But I'm gonna do it just a little bit. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just gonna brush it out just a little, like along the edges. Just a little. I can tell the difference. I don't know if you can. And I'm just gonna. I love that lava cake, y'all. And it goes, and then the butter gloss goes on so smooth anyway. Cause I used to have a lipstick this color, but I don't know if I ever rebought it. See, a nice, simple brown lippy. I love it. It's so pretty. Like it's so pretty too. I'm not gonna do the issues. I'm just gonna. It is so pretty to me. I love it. And now I'm about to start putting on my outfit and showing y'all all the little elements that go through my outfit. Alright, so now it's time to give you a quick little rundown of my outfit and what that's gonna look like for today. Alright, so I'm just gonna do this simple little silk tank top that I got from Amazon. I have a black one and another one in like a nude color. I wore the black one already and I think I wore the nude one already. Haven't worn this one. It still got the tag on. And I'm gonna go in with my little tortoise earrings that I have. And a nice little simple necklace with my jeans. I love these ripped jeans. These are the Rockstar jeans. Rockstar extra high rise. Super skinny that I got from Old Navy. I love their Rockstar jeans. They fit me so good. And what else I'm missing? And I think that's it. Oh, let me show you my shoes. For my shoes, I'm just going to do these little tortoise print flip-flops that I got from, I think I got from Target, y'all. I love when I can turn my camera around like this. So this is my hair. Look at that. I'll turn around. Okay. Got that together. Got this together. And I'm about to show you my full outfit once I, yeah. Okay, so I seriously need to get like an extra light in my room. This is my outfit. I started to wear it like the shirt out or like some of it in and some of it out, but this tank top is so short, y'all. So yeah, there it is. There I go. And those are my shoes. And I'm about to just sit this way. It's much easier. Here I go. Little simple, cute, you know, relax and chill. Not too much. Comfort. All of the things to say a good Sunday, you know. See, I really wanted to leave like some good outfit. I knew that ain't gonna work, so it still was fine. There I go. And yeah. So for my purse, I'm just gonna do my simple little bucket purse that I always wear like every day. It came from Sex and it's made by Max Men. It is a black owned brand. I love this purse. Get complimented on it all the time. And yeah, I'm gonna head out the door. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tap that notification bell so you know every time me, your girl, the curlmaverick, uploads a new video. If you have any questions or any suggestions on videos you would like for me to do, just drop them down below and just let me know. All right, holla at y'all next time.